Birds are sinful creatures. It may not seem so, but that is all part of the ruse. Hi, I'm Edmund Spenser, and I've come back from the dead and learned an American accent to warn you, citizens of the 21st century, about the peril of birds. Presently, I'm at just the sort of place where birds like to flock to. It's called a locus amenus, and there are all too many dotting fairyland. They seem perfect for relaxing after a long day of wandering. Here there are no trees whose branches do not bravely spring, no branches where a fine bird does not sit, and no birds but those who sweetly sing their shrill notes. Ah, but here is where your problems begin. For trees, branches, birds, and songs are so framed fit as to allure frail minds to careless ease. A mind at ease is a dangerous thing. It is open to all manners of sinful suggestions and erring behavior. I must say the dangers of birds is amplified when one is in the presence of fair and dainty dames, even if they are most virtuous. Luckily for us fallen beings, it is easy to avoid these foul. When you hear joyous birds in the cheerful shade, sounding those divine instruments that they all have within them, flee! It may be pleasant, inviting, if not entrancing, but no good will come from being in the woods where the birds sing. For more information to make sure no bird ever gets the better of you, may I recommend my book, The Fairy Queen.
That by nature men no more hate. I, the ghastly owl, hateful messenger of heavy things of death and dolor, telling sad tidings. Hearken to my words. When ye wander into wasteful mist, the innumerable flight of harmful fowls shall flutter about you, horse-like raven, trump of doleful dread, leather-winged bat, day's enemy, the rueful stench awaiting on the bed, the whistler shrill like a huge ears down high, yelling news with seagulls' woods and bass, cormorants with birds of ravenous race. And of course I, ill as old and dreadful messenger. Fear us, our evils are not hidden but clear. We need not take you, our wicked wings and talons will rip your flesh apart and spill purple gore upon the floor. We offer no glistering invitation, only desolation. If you see us, fly, fly, fly.
Wanderers of the world, for all the crimes of birds, they are still God's work. And though, like men, there are too many that are wholly wretched, there are still those that are goodly and godly. Be as an eagle fresh out of the ocean wave, where he hath let his plumes all hoary gray, and decked himself with feathers youthfully gay. Be like Eos hawk that upmount unto the skies, his newly budded pinions to essay, and marvels at himself still as he flies. Or be like a turtle dove, who are true in love. Look for these birds and be wary of the others.